Once you are on the Movin Maps website, click on the day and check-in location. Let's say you are moving in on Thursday on the east side of the campus. Click on Thursday East. This will bring you to a collection of story maps for all the residence halls being moved in on Thursday on the east side. Second car parking directions are also given here. Now let's say you are moving into Butterfield House. Click on the hall name. This will bring you to the relevant story map. Here you will find two maps. The first shows directions to your residence hall and the second has parking directions. Click on the arrows in the upper right corner to expand the map. In the bottom left corner, you will see the legend. Click on this and you will see all the directions listed over here. If you click on any of these, you will be able to see a picture of the surroundings at this point and read further instructions if provided. You can also click on any of the points on the map to view the picture of the surroundings and read further instructions. Click on the cross at the bottom of the screen to exit this. You can zoom in and out of the map using two fingers. You can also drag your fingers around the map to move it. Click on the arrows in the top right corner to exit this. It will bring you back to the story map. Remember, it is important that you follow these directions in order to avoid traffic delays.